a remedy so powerful it's been whispered through Italian kitchens for centuries. A natural antibiotic drink that fights infections without a single pill. Do not click away, because today we're making a potent natural antibiotic drink, perfect for when that pesky cold tries to sneak up on you. Ciao belly! I'm Nonna from Italy. Welcome to my YouTube channel, where I share natural home remedies passed down through generations. Stick with me if you want to heal the body the old-fashioned way. Now listen to your Nonna for a moment. Many people rush to take antibiotics even when they don't really need them. But those medicines, they only fight bacteria, not viruses. So if you catch the flu or a nasty virus, those pills won't help, and they might even do harm by upsetting your gut. Do you understand, capisci? Over time, using too many antibiotics can make your body stop responding to them. We call this resistance. It's like trying to shoo away a pigeon who no longer fears your broom. Does that make sense? Nature, on the other hand, has its own gentle warriors. Herbs and foods that help your immune system stay strong without disturbing your body's balance. This is what we'll use today. All right, let's start with the stars of our drink. In order to make your natural antibiotic drink, you need the following ingredients. Take 3 cloves, fresh and raw. Garlic is nature's little soldier. It's full of sulfur compounds that fight bacteria and viruses. It's powerful, my dears. Don't skip it. Not just the juice. Use the whole thing. Peel, seeds, everything. The peel has essential oils, and the juice is rich in vitamin C. Together, it's a natural germ fighter. 1 tablespoon. This is not just sweet. It's full of enzymes, antibacterial properties, and even natural hydrogen peroxide. If you have Manuka honey, even better, but any raw honey will do. 1 tablespoon. Choose one with the mother in it, unfiltered and raw. This helps your immune cells clean out the bad stuff, like a little housekeeper for your insides. About 90 drops. This herb is famous for stopping colds before they get bad. If you feel a tickle in your throat, this will help stop it in its tracks. And do not forget about water. Take 500 milliliters or 2 cups, just enough to blend everything smoothly. Wondering how to sip this magic potion? Here's how to drink it properly. Drink 1/3 right away, preferably on an empty stomach, then save the rest in the fridge. Come si fa con il sugo della domenica. Take another 1/3 in the afternoon and the last in the evening like a cozy nightcap. And if you still feel a bit weak the next day, make it again. I recommend taking it 2 or 3 days in a row, especially if you feel a cold coming on. Make sure you take vitamin D3. Take 50,000 IU once at the start of your cold. Vitamin D3 gives your immune system a quick boost, like a big hug from inside. Also, take zinc. About 100 milligrams daily for a few days can really help your body fight faster. And remember, if you're feeling unwell, get some rest. Niente scusa. No stress, no worries. Light some candles, wear warm socks, and let your body heal. Healing takes time. Capito? Thank you for watching. I hope you love this remedy as much as I love sharing it with you. If this video helped you, fammi un favore. Smash that like button, share it with someone who needs it, and subscribe. Also, tap the bell so you never miss Nonna's healing secrets. Before you go, please write in the comments, what remedies do you need from Nonna Tina next? Stay well, ciao!